Oh, wait, well, what's up, crew, man? I got a little product test I'm gonna do today, man, on this little Kobalt 600 PSI electric little sprayer. Shit, I was looking for a power washer. They just didn't have the one I wanted, so I'm gonna test this thing out. The battery's big as hell. It's fully charged. Got some soap in there, so we're gonna spray down this dusty Trans Am. And we're gonna see how it comes out. So we'll see if this is worth it or not. Let's get down to it. Bad. About half the bottle to clean the wheel. Whew. Well, I don't think it came out too bad. It knocked all the dust and grit off there. Get your coat ass up out the way, dude. You can see a lot of the mud that came off from under the car down there. I'm gonna say the only thing I'm gonna say I really don't like is this trigger style. You gotta hold this and press this. But if you let go for just a second, that shit stops. So that's the only thing I'm gonna say I don't like so far about it. Wonder what this battery's at. Let's see what this battery level is real quick. All right, so that was about 10 minutes worth of wash, and they used half the battery already. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I used 50%. It's cool. I mean, I'll keep it just for quick little wash jobs, but anything over than that, I say you probably could get you one car in, a little driveway slab, and that's it. So this'll work for now till I get my real pressure washer. But I just wanted to test it out, see how it worked. Looks like the car came pretty clean though. I'm gonna go blow this thing off so ain't nothing freezing up, and then put some air in this tire, and we can go from there. Well, it looks like it came real clean. I knocked a lot of dirt off of there. So not bad. I did a cool wash for what it was. But I'll say I'm satisfied. The only thing I don't like I said, is the trigger and how you do that. But other than that, I think it did a good job. And then you could tell this was just, I don't know what was on here. Maybe somebody tried to wax it or something. But other than that, ain't no dust or nothing on there. It came out pretty good. Oh, the top. I gotta come do this some more later on, but whew. The rest came out good. I'm gonna say this is just from, me not spraying the top all the way down. But everything else came out pretty good. So yeah, Kobalt, it's cool. It'll do a quick little wash one car for you and get out the way, and then you got to charge the battery up. So that's not bad. So then y'all got this thing on the jumper. I'm gonna put this battery on the jumper. I'm just gonna make sure all my batteries is charged up for the week, and gotta maintain them while it's cold, man. Sheesh. Wonder if this thing will start up. And next, man, we'll be working on this old raggedy box. And this ain't been started, shit, I don't even know. Oh, whatever day I moved the Trans Am around. So that was the last time it was started. Shit, it's kind of cold. It's only 34 degrees right now. So shit, right above freezing. So everything looking good, sounding cool. The Hummer should be out of here, man, within the next week or so, hopefully. I'm just waiting on that front differential to come back, and then this is out of here. So not bad. Clear up some space. We'll probably bring another old school in here. Probably prime this thing up here in a day or so. I just ain't had time to do nothing, man. But that's cool for that. I'm just gonna let it sit. I know it'll start up. Other than that, man, shit, that's all your boy got for y'all today. I was just testing out this little Kobalt washer and stuff like that. Getting a little bit of this and that done while I got about 10 minutes of free time. But man, let me know if y'all like the Kobalt washer. I do got a couple of them, man. I might give one away. The other ones I'm just gonna sell. Oh, but yeah, that's it, Junkyard Crew, man. Trying to get some shit done. Almost the end of the year. think we doing pretty good, man, keeping things going. So I ain't see too many good cars for sale this week, but the few ones from last week that was pretty good went quick. So I'm about to go hop on this internet, see what else they got for sale, and this and that. See if I come up on another set of steals on these rims. But man, we'll go from there, man. Everything could make some paper. So you guys enjoy yourself, and I'll get with y'all here in a minute.